How to fix voicemail not working in Motorola Edge 70. First of all, clear voicemail cache. Open setting. Now in settings, scroll down, click on apps. Now here you'll see app search, voicemail app. Now click on voicemail. Scroll down, click on storage and cache, and click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, voicemail will be clear cache from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset network setting. Open setting. Scroll down, click on system. Click on reset option. Click on reset mobile network setting and click on reset setting. After click on reset setting, mobile network setting will be reset from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Open settings. Scroll down. Click on system update. Click on check for updates and click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. This is how you can fix voicemail not working in Motorola Edge 70. I hope so you like this video, and thanks for watching this video.